Learning how to clean brick is key to keeping up your home's appearance. We'll show you the steps you need to clean interior and exterior brick like a pro. Interior brick is a great design detail, but like any other surface, it can become dingy or stained. The first step is to remove surface dirt and dust. You can use a vacuum, dry mop, or broom. Next, wet the brick with warm water and a masonry sponge. Then use a scrub brush to wipe away any surface dirt. Mix together dish soap, baking soda, and water until it forms a paste, adding more dish soap if needed. You want to start with wet bricks. Then spread the paste over the brick, letting it sit for 10 minutes. Scrub the brick, and finally rinse with warm water. Pressure washing is an easy method that will have your brick looking like new. Make sure to repair the cracks in the brick or mortar to prevent further damage. Cover light fixtures and electrical outlets to protect them from water. And make sure all windows are tightly sealed. You may want to cover any shrubs, bushes, and flower beds with plastic sheeting or tarps. Now it's time to apply the detergent. Using a low-pressure nozzle, set the pressure washer to the lowest setting. Start at the top and spray the wall with detergent in a continuous motion to the bottom. Let the detergent sit for a few minutes to break down the dirt and stains. Next, use a surface cleaner attachment or low-pressure nozzle to rinse off the brick. Use 50 psi or less for the best results. Working from the top down, spray in horizontal strokes 3 to 4 feet wide. After the brick is clean, use a garden hose to clean the residue off the surrounding areas. After you've pressure washed your outdoor brick, let it dry thoroughly before checking for residual stains like mildew, algae, or rust. Wet the stained area with water and detergent and scrub with a scrub brush. Now that you know how to clean brick, you can keep your brickwork looking new inside and out all year long. Here's a list of all the materials and tools needed to clean your own interior and exterior brick surfaces. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.